You're right then. I'm right, I am. Greetings. I was going to do this outside, but a guy's just put a whippersnipper on, so I've got to come back into the car. I've just flown over the castle with the drone. I'm leaving now and I'm going to Cooper's Hill, which is on the other side of Gloucester. It's where they roll cheese down once a year and you chase the cheese. Last year the winner was an Australian. So we'll go there and have a look at Cooper's Hill. Hang on a second. Hello. Where do they roll the cheese down the hill?
The last Monday in May.
No, where, not when. Let's have a look at
where? Just up there. Just past that house on the right.
Yeah.
There's a car park. You go up the hill.
Great.
You can park there. It's a bit steepy, but yeah. Where are you from?
Australia. I've seen it on the television.
Yeah, I've won it. I'm in the book.
Huh?
I'm on the programme. I'm in the book.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm one of them.
Oh, good.
One of the crazy.
Oh, I watched it. The last year an Australian won it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it would come from all over the world now. When I was a kid, it was all us locals.
Really?
It was great.
What kind of cheese is it?
Double Gloucester. It's about that big.
Lovely. I've seen them, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this guy waiting to get through? Oh, dear. Okay. This is insane. There's just no room. These people live here. And these guys, a truck and this guy in the white car, have to back up all the way to let us through. And apparently there's a car park. It's crazy stuff, isn't it? What do you do when there's 1,000 people here to compete and watch the cheese thing? How do they get in here? Is this the car park? It's lovely. Oh, that's it there. Oh, it looks steeper in real life. Hello. Well, I just spoke to that lady there. She says 10 to 15,000 people turn up. Now they come down here, they go through that ridiculous single road, and she says there's a park over here. There, they all park in the car park, thousands of them. And then they walk up this path here, we're going, and they get to the top of this hill, but I'm not kidding. It's a lot steeper than it looks on the telly. I don't even think I could walk down it.
That was fine.
Come down.
That was fine.
Get the blankets up, get the blankets up.
That was fine.
Get the blankets up, get the blankets up.
It's needing of a story. Is anyone in the ambulance in there?
That is insane. That doesn't look steep. It is very steep. Look, and there's some people up there. There's some people up there now, right at the top. Gee, it must be lovely for these people. She says they put a tent up just there to administer the whole thing, and then down they come this way. Wow. It just does not look steep. I'm not kidding. I just can't tell you. It's 3-4 times steeper than it looks on the video. Well, let's walk up and have a look. Oh, it is steep. You can just get a glimpse through the trees. Must be a better view up the top. It just doesn't look as steep. I can't grab it on the camera. Well, I'm at the top of the hill, which I'll show you in a minute, but look at the view. Fire over there. That's it. Well, there's no way I'm going to be able to show you exactly the drop here, but I'm telling you now. Well, I'm going down, but I'm thinking on my feet, hands and bum. Just can't believe people would try and run down here. Who would have thought this up, throwing a double Gloucester cheese down here and chasing after the thing? It's crazy. Nevertheless, I'm going down. Doesn't look too bad if you just take it easy. There's a bit of a path here. I'm going to need 2 hands. I'm sorry, there's no way I can film this and get down there. I'm halfway. It's very steep. Okay, so these are my 2 witnesses that I actually came down that hill. They saw the whole thing. Yes, do you
I can
concur?
hereby declare.
Yes.
You declare.
This lovely man did come down there on his ass.
On my ass. Well, I did it. It's impossible. I don't know how they run down it head first. I could barely got down there feet first, but I did it. Thank you. I'm blocked in for the duration of this gas fill. Dearie me, what an awkward place to get to.
20 minutes later.
He's just squeezing through without hitting either side. He's only just making it. I mean, it's insane. And now there's a car in the way. So I'm sticking right on his bum. If he gets down, I get down. Simple as that.